breath, we're almost there. We've already seen that the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit are each fully God. Not 1/3 God each, but fully and completely God. Because each person of the Trinity is each fully God, they share the same divine nature. To put it another way, they are the same substance, the same essence, the same being. They all three share the same divine attributes. The Father is not more eternal than the Spirit, and the Spirit is not more powerful than the Son. They are all equally eternal, all-knowing, all-powerful, holy, and because they are one in nature, they are also equal in glory. All deserve our worship. None is greater or less. One isn't less than another. The one true God eternally exists as three persons, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, one in nature, equal in glory, and distinct in relations. Not only are the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit unified in nature, but they are also distinct in how they relate to one another. Outside of time, the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit exist in perfect unity. The Father is unbegotten. He is the source of the Trinity. The Son, he's eternally begotten of the Father, not made. The Spirit eternally proceeds from both the Father and the Son. Within time, the Triune God reveals himself through distinct roles in creation and redemption. In creation, the Father initiates the divine plan. The Son carries it out by creating all things, and the Holy Spirit brings life, order, and beauty to the creation. In redemption, the Father initiates the plan to save us. The Son accomplishes it through his death and resurrection, and the Holy Spirit applies redemption by sealing and sanctifying believers. How does the Trinity shape our walk with Christ? We've established that the three persons of the Trinity, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, are eternally loving and perfectly relational. The very reason we exist is because God is loving and relational. Made in his image, we are created for love and relationship, and like the Triune God, we are called to be self-giving. Jesus, the image of the invisible God, shows us what the Triune God is like and what we are meant to be like. In him, we see compassion, forgiveness, truth, faithfulness, and peace, qualities that should shape our walk with Christ. Don't forget to check out the description below to download resources relating to the Trinity, and don't hesitate to comment with questions about what you learned today.